Alright, now I'm hoping I can get this off without making a complete balls up of it, which is not guaranteed. So it's pretty thick. It's cool today, so it's taken a while. But while it's set, I'm just gonna cut around here so I can get this tape off. The nicer clean line. So I'm going to leave this another hour or so with the scraper, but I really want to get. Alright, so that's looking good. So, there we go. Perfect. Pull that from the inside. Alright. Now that I'm going to let harden. Sand back a little bit later on. It's got a nice seal around the plug. Hope it looks alright in the wood. It's a bit, that redwood leash plug's slightly darker, but the grain line's up. Sanded it. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. All done. Ready to harden, sand back.